a poverty-stricken village in China's Shanxi province has embraced the path to wealth after decades of ecological conservation. Gaoxigou village used to have barren land and serious soil erosion.
以前我们高溪沟整个山上这一片是光秃秃，也没有树，也没有草。
年年遭天灾，10年救旱是救不收。
Over the past decades, local residents cultivated terraced rice fields on the slopes, built dams in the gullies, planted trees on the mountains, grew karagana on the barren land, and planted fruit trees on sunny slopes.
做草的目的就是为上学，有上学就有肥，有了肥就有粮。做树问题吧，做树就能解决他们条子问题，做贫苦。
By the 1970s, 85% of gullies in Gaoxigou village had been treated, effectively improving conditions for agricultural production and ecological environment.
现在高溪沟吃上了生态饭，产业实现了多元化。我们村民有的种杂粮，有的种山地苹果，有的种葡萄，有的村民搞农家了。2021年，高溪沟人均可支配收入达到19955元，比全县平均值多5473元。